Okay, in order to make your own version of Working Online Together, a Google form that we've created, you can go to your Google main page, come over to where the Google Apps button is. It's the 9 dots. You need to be logged into your Google account, your Mica EDU account. Click on that. Your apps are going to look different than mine, potentially. Scroll down to where you see Forms. Click on Forms once. It's going to bring you to your Forms page, and this is where you will have what is known as the copy of the Working Online Together form. If you click on that once, it'll bring you to the copy. And what you need to do is you need to make your own version so that when you share that version with your students, all of the responses will go directly to you and not to anyone else. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the 3 dots and we're going to click on that, and we're going to click on Make a Copy. When you click on Make a Copy, here's where you can change the name of the document. And we'll go ahead and I'm just going to use my initials. You can decide where to save it, and then you can click OK. And Google will open a new tab with the new name. Now at this point, anything you do on this form is saved, okay? So if you want to go ahead and in this introduction area, put in your email, any other ways that you want students to get in contact with you. And if there's anything else you want to modify, this is where you would do it, okay? Then when you get responses, you'll be able to check them here in the Responses tab. In order to send this form when you're ready, go ahead and click on Send. And you can do this in a couple of different ways. You can send this form via email to your students. You can simply copy their email and paste it in here, and you can do that for multiple people at one time. And then I would suggest at that point to click Include the form in the email. You can also do this another way, which is usually the way that I do it, by clicking on the Link tab here. And then this gives you a long, complicated link, and what you can do is you can click Shorten URL, and then you copy that, and then you can paste it into a Google Canvas announcement or an email, something like that. And then that's all you need to do. And then when you get responses, you will get a notification if you've set that up. And then you'll see where your students are landing. Okay, thanks.